Hey guys, I want to do a quick review of this Nuwave titanium cook plate. I'm going to go ahead and open it up and show you everything that comes in the box. Alright guys, so here it is. This is the cook plate itself, and this is the Nuwave titanium. It goes from 700, 1500 to 1800 watts. On here you have a few just quick settings, so you can press this button to figure out what temperature the probe is reading. It came with a probe, so you just plug this into the side of it, and then you can, if you're cooking something like a meat or whatever, you can probe it into it. Or if you want to know the temperature of something that's in a pot, you can hook this to the side of the pot, and then the probe will be held by that in the pot. So that's really nice that they included that. On here you have the quick settings, which is low, medium, medium high, high, and sear. Sear being just full blast. Preset, stage, time, watts, and then you have the start, pause, on, off button over here. Pull you in close here and we're going to check out all the settings on it. The probe itself plugs into the side of the machine, so you just plug in the probe right there. Go over the controls real quick. You have an on-off button right here, so if we click it on, it'll start off on sear. So you want to usually change it off of that because that's just full tilt. We'll just go through them together. So sear is 575, 400 for high, 300 for medium high, 200 for medium, 100 for low, and then of course that's the probe button, but since I don't have it plugged in, it just won't read anything, so it'll just say probe 1. So we'll leave it on low for a second. Then you have presets. I haven't messed with that any on my other one. Stage, and then you have time, so you can set the time to where it just shuts off automatically. So I'm going to turn it back off and back on now, and let's say we're going to turn it on low. All we have to do is hit the start button and it is going. This thing will not get hot unless you have a pan on it, so I could put it on sear and put my hand here and nothing's going to happen ever until there is a metal pot on it. See, it even knows there's not a pot on it. That's as easy as it is to turn on. So overall guys, this is a 10 out of 10 would recommend. I hope this answered some questions for you, and I'll see you guys in the next one.